kids, and welcome back to Miss Ann's Laboratory. Hey, so you guys go ahead and ask your parents' permission to take a 5-minute break from distance learning. I'll wait. What they say? Great. Okay, so now I need you to go get the supplies that we need for today, because today we're gonna make it rain in the inside. Okay? So what you're gonna need is a measuring cup, because we're gonna put water in here. I don't know how much water we're gonna put in here. Let's just go with it. A jar, any kind of jar. It doesn't have to be quite this big, but you can get whatever kind of jar you want. Shaving cream. Voila. And of course, food coloring. I would suggest getting blue because rain. Blue? Clear? Whatever you want to do. Let's just go with it, okay? Go grab food coloring, get the supplies that you need, meet me back at the lab. So, we're gonna make it rain. Ready to make it rain? Here we go. So, the first thing you're gonna do, you're gonna pour the water into the jar. I typically like more water, but we're just gonna leave it at that. You know. Take the shaving cream, shake it up, shake it up. Shake it up real good. Okay, that's good enough. And you're gonna spread on top, because this is our cloud. You guys see that? Yeah. So now that we have our cloud on top, we're gonna make it rain. You're gonna take your blue food coloring, okay? Take your blue food coloring, you're gonna drip it all over the cloud as many drops as you like, okay? Because what you wanna do is, you wanna make it real heavy on top, to where it's like a dark cloud. Because when you see a dark cloud, you automatically know that it's about to rain. But do you know why? All the rain droplets are so huge. They're hiding the sun. So now the sky is gray, all the clouds are gray. And as heavy as you can get the droplets onto the cloud, then it starts to rain. As you see, deep down, it's starting to rain. It's coming down. And this is what happens when it rains. We're going to keep it. Need some rain to come on this side. Let's watch it work. Oh, it looks awesome. It's showing how the rain starts dropping down from the sky. The rain is so heavy up on the clouds that it starts to come down. It's pretty neat, right? It's kind of relaxing too. Just seeing things in motion like this just kind of to calm you down. It's like, oh, this is so relaxing. Huh. It's a good brain break, right? From distance learning. I would say so myself. This is awesome. I like rain. Do you like rain? It's so soothing. It makes me sleepy. So, how did you guys think of this little experiment today? I hope you liked it just like I did. Now remember, rain is droplets of water that fall from the clouds. When the water droplets get too large and heavy, they fall as rain. Remember that when the sky is really dark, it's because the rain is covering the sun. Keep it in mind. We made it rain in the house. We made it rain in the house. We made it rain in the house. But just like any other time, thank you so much for joining in to Mrs. Ann's Laboratory. I hope you guys enjoyed that little brain break. Now you can get back to some more distance learning, okay? So, you know how we do it. What do I say? Stay safe. Wash your hands. How many seconds? Yeah, 20 seconds. Stay 6 feet away. Be safe, you guys. Until next week, have fun. Have a great weekend. I'll see you next time. Bye.